Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and a very good evening. So today I'm going to share something which has been requested by many of you, and you wanted the same thing from us. We have been getting this request from you again and again. So I just thought, why not to address your request, and we'll be sharing some wonderful things with you. So, do you want to know what these things are that we have, planned for you to share in this particular video? So then keep watching this video. And those who are watching me for the first time, let me just quickly introduce us. So, my name is Mo. I am a mindset transformation coach and an energy healer. So myself and my sister Shumosri, she is also a meditation expert and an energy healer. So we have been doing a lot of webinars, a lot of workshops, and we have been helping a lot of our students to lead an empowered life where they have the ability to transform their emotions. At the same time, they are able to upgrade their frequency and attract their desired goals. So if you want to also experience the same amazing results, then I think it's high time that you should get connected with us and join our community. So we are the founder of Healing with S&M community. So if you are interested, you can definitely join our community, and you will see the link of our WhatsApp group in the description box below. So let's talk about today's topic. So today I'm going to share some wonderful and very powerful yet very simple affirmations for your health. I know many of you have been requesting for different aspects of health related concerns that you have been facing in your life, but I will make it simple and I will give you some ready affirmations which are being used by myself, and I have seen some wonderful results in my health. At the same time, we have been also making our students use the same affirmations with which they have been able to get rid of so many problems, and they see themselves completely happy and healthy now. So we really want you guys to experience the same thing. So before sharing the health related affirmations, few things that I wanted to let you know when you do your affirmations. So we usually teach our students in our specific program which is known as reprogramming of subconscious mind, where we help our students to know how they can build their affirmations. At the same time, which are the do's and don'ts while you do your affirmations, while you articulate your affirmations. So it's a whole lot of exercise that we do with them, and it takes almost a day or two to make them understand how they can actually articulate their affirmations, when they need to do it, how they need to do it. So you don't have to go through all of them, because if you really want to know how you can build your affirmations, not just about your health but any other areas like relationship, career, or money, you can also join the reprogramming of subconscious mind, where we help our students to rewire the subconscious mind and help them to vibrate and match the higher vibrations or the frequencies of their desired goals. So affirmation is one of the major lessons in the reprogramming of subconscious mind course. So if you want to explore that, you can definitely get connected with us through the WhatsApp group, and we will be sharing lot many details about this wonderful program, which is the reprogramming of subconscious mind. So let's talk about the health affirmations. Whenever you are building your health affirmations, keep few things in your mind. Firstly, your affirmations should not be like too lengthy or too long, because if you are including your health affirmations for 10 to 12 lines, it becomes very difficult for you to do it every day. At the same time, you won't remember them. You have to actually carry your notepad everywhere, which ideally is not possible, because you might be at work or you might be traveling sometimes and you can't carry your notepad every time. So in those cases, try to build your affirmations as limited to at least not more than 3 to 4 or at least 5 sentences, and keep it very simple, because if you want to cover your health issues, I would suggest you to use some generic affirmations which I'm going to share with all of you, and I'm sure with those affirmations you will be able to give the maximum coverage of all your health problems. So you can't be writing affirmations for each and every health issues. That will make it complicated, firstly. Secondly, it becomes very lengthy. Sometimes you'll get bored of doing so many affirmations at the same time. Your mind, your thoughts will start bugging you, stating that when are you going to complete your affirmations. Fourth, you will not be able to remember them every time you have to carry the notepad. Fifth point is, if you do too many affirmations at the same time, you want to do it on a regular basis. So if it is too long, so gradually your conscious mind gets activated, and then you start getting a lot of distracting thoughts, which will start distracting you and bugging you with so many other thoughts, queries, and whatnot. So if you really want to cut it short, make it simple and crisp but to the point and very powerful, then you can use these affirmations. So health affirmations that I'm going to share today are very very simple, and I'm going to give you coverage for certain areas of your health. One of the major concerns that we have been receiving from people, that what affirmations do they build for weight loss or weight gain, right? So this particular affirmation which I'm going to share with all of you will give you the coverage for both. If you want to gain your weight, this is the affirmation you should use. If you want to lose your weight, you can use the same affirmation. It sounds interesting, right? That you don't have to actually keep changing your affirmations. Secondly, often we get addicted to junk food. So if you really want to improve your food habits, and if you really want to bring your entire consciousness on nutritious and healthy food, for that also I can give you a ready affirmation which you can do on a daily basis. And the more you do the affirmations, these affirmations on a daily basis, you will see that you start seeing the food habits getting changed, and your preferences from junk to healthy foods are getting shifted very very fast, right? So let's start writing the affirmations. I'm going to share them right away in this video. So quickly grab a notepad and a pen, and you can write this simple and very powerful health affirmations. So the first affirmation that you can write for your health is, you need to feel healthy every day, right? So for that you can write, you can always start your affirmations with your gratitude. You can say thank you to the universe or to the divine. So you can say, thank you universe, thank you divine, I'm having an amazing health. So that means that you are healthy and you are absolutely fit and fine. You can also use it as, thank you universe and thank you divine, I'm having amazing health, and I'm feeling healthy. Both ways you can use it. The second affirmation is, you should always respect your body. That's one major I would say gap which we see, that often we take our body for granted. We don't give them give our body the respect that the body deserves, and we keep throwing so much of expectations on our body. So these are the ways with which you start disrespecting your body. Secondly, you don't consider what you have. For example, you have a body, and the body is enabling you to do so many activities in every day. So just imagine, if you do not have your body parts active, you don't have your organs, how will you be able to do things every day, right? So you need to think about it, and you should be grateful for your body. So the same ways, the more you say thank you, the more you say you should be you express your gratitude, the more positivity you would be inviting in your life. So this is why you should write your affirmations, that I always treat my body like a temple. So always treat your body like a temple, and right from the head to the tip of the toe. If you visualize, sometimes if you close your eyes and sit quiet and just visualize, while closing your eyes, you can just see that the inner body, just visualize it, and you can in fact see all the chakras are being aligned. So if you start visualizing, and the moment you start seeing your inner body, you will see that your whole conscious mind will start getting quiet. Your subconscious mind, any which ways, is open, and that will be super active. So the more you visualize, the more you start feeling so blessed, feeling so divine as you start stepping into this temple that is your body, right? You can start from your crown chakra, and you can start gradually, taking steps as if you're entering this temple, and you go step by step, and you start feeling the blissful, feeling the blessed energy within your body. You will see that you have started generating a very positive vibration throughout your body. This will also give you a shift in your aura, because the more you feel positive, the more you feel blessed to have what you have. So this will also start reflecting in your aura as well. So you can always express your love for your body, and hence you can use this affirmation as, I always treat my body like a temple, right? Third one, if you want to lose weight or if you want to gain weight, so you can use the simple statement. First thing that you need to do is identify what is the ideal body weight that you want to carry, forever. For example, if not forever, for at least 1 year. So for example, I would say 54 kgs. So you can write, thank you, universe, and thank you, divine. I am maintaining my ideal body weight of, then you write that number, for example, 54 kgs, and I'm eating healthy food by choice, right? So, with one sentence, you are actually covering both the problems. First, if you want to lose or gain weight. Secondly, you're also shifting your interest from your junk food to the healthy food. So I'm repeating the affirmation again. You can write, thank you, universe. Thank you, divine. I am maintaining my ideal body weight of, you can write the number, for example, 54 kgs, and I'm eating healthy food by choice. So these are the affirmations which are very simple. If you do it every day, I think most of your problems will get addressed, and you will see that there is a certain improvement in your health, in your physical and your mental health. So the more you start appreciating your body, the more you start appreciating what you have, the more you start understanding that what major role our body plays in our life, you will start seeing the improvement in your health as well, right? So I hope you will be doing all these affirmations every single day. The best thing is, when you wake up in the morning, first you can do your gratitudes, and then you can start with these affirmations. The more you start repeating throughout the day, because if you start repeating, the repetition gets captured by the subconscious mind very easily. So you can also do one thing. If you are working somewhere and you can't do these affirmations loudly, you can record these affirmations, these four affirmations, in your own voice on your phone, and whenever you want to, you can actually listen to your affirmation. This will help you to relate very fast, because often when we hear something on our voice, it becomes very easy for us to relate, rather than if you are listening to my voice and the same affirmation, you might not be able to relate every time. So if you really want to cut down that problem, and you, if you want to really start visualizing, the moment you start saying this affirmation, you can actually record this in your voice and put it in your phone, so you can start listening as many times throughout the day, whether you are working, cooking, doing any household work, even before bedtime, you can actually listen to this and go to sleep. So this will give you amazing results. First thing, these are very simple affirmations. We are not including too many things to make your conscious mind or subconscious mind getting confused, or we are not giving a chance for the conscious mind to give too many thoughts about too many things that we are talking about. Secondly, whenever you do these affirmations, try to do it with emotions. It cannot be that you are doing an affirmation with a frowny face or with a sad temperament. So always try to put a smile and do these affirmations. Feel as if you have already got this healthy body, you are treating your body like a temple. You feel so blessed to have this body. At the same time, you are maintaining your ideal body weight, and you have improved your food habits, so you're absolutely happy, healthy, fit, and fine. So feel that and do these affirmations. I guarantee you that you will be seeing significant improvement in your health, and all your health problems will start vanishing. So I'm really excited to know your results once you start these affirmations, and do it on a daily basis. Please do not put any gap in between, because once you make it as part of your life, you will see that it becomes a regular schedule. And as I said, I have given you the shortcut. You can start listening to your audio, and you can start visualizing that you have a your ideal body weight, you are eating healthy foods, and you are treating your body like a temple, and you're feeling amazing with your health, and you do not have any health issues. So won't it be so good that you start living a life where you have a sound health, mental and physical health, and you feel so charged, you feel so charged up, you feel so enthusiastic every single day. So this will give you definitely a different shift when you see that your body is cooperating with you, your health is all good, and at the same time you're able to do lot many things. You are not getting tired, and you feel so blessed to have such wonderful health. So try using these affirmations daily, as I said. Also use these simple, these are not techniques but simple things, keep in your mind when you do the affirmations. Feel free to comment below and let me know for any other health related affirmations. If you need any help, I would be more than happy to share them with you. So you can comment below and do let me know. At the same time, do like, share, and subscribe our channel, because we keep uploading a lot of videos which will give you so many informations, and will also help you to get rid of certain issues in your life. So if you don't want to miss any of these upcoming videos whenever we are loading them in future, you should hit the bell icon without a miss, so that you get notified every single time when we start uploading our videos. All right, so all the best, and I really look forward to see your results, that how you're able to discard all your health related problems, and you start living a healthy life, enthusiastic life, and you feel amazing every day with these wonderful and powerful affirmations. So see you in the next video. Take care.